Hello friends, here we come again with a new dish called fish fry. So today we are going to take you for this new recipe. Going to use the all the ingredients as usual, which is used keep on using in every other family, but the way slightly differs. So let's begin. So मैं आपका होस्ट एंड दोस्त प्रभात. Let's come on. So first we will take this fish. The quality of fish I would like to share you. This is pomfret, black pomfret. So it's a peel off for this skin, and it's nicely clean and chopped at the soap itself. And we have applied turmeric powder and salt, and keep it around half an hour to 40 minutes on idle. And after that, now we are going to prepare our masalas. So here we have a black mustard whole. This is our garlic, peel of garlic, and this is our red chilies as per your taste, some salt, and some as per your quantity of the fish. You have to decide 1 small teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder. And since we already applied the turmeric, then we will use this turmeric powder very thin amount. And we will put all masala into the mixie and make a good paste, and then we will apply on this. So as we are seeing, our masala is fine ready. So now we will apply this masala, or called second level of marination, to our already first level applied marinated fish. So that why we are doing these two step activity, the reason is our fish should absorb the turmeric and other salt in abundant amount. I mean, and then we will apply this now. So after applying all the masala as part of the second level marination, now it's time for the fish to get it fry. So we will apply the frying pan as usual, and on the low to medium flame we will apply, and then we'll use the mustard oil. So I would it's my personal opinion that the taste and aroma of the fish fry are getting very good and very tasteful in when you apply mustard oil. The other oil, if you want to use, you can go ahead, there is no any issue. But since we are keep on using since our childhood this oil, so we used to have the taste. So if you have the refined or any other oil, you can go ahead. But the ideal and tasty oil for these non-veg items, always we should go with mustard oil. So as long as the oil and frying pan is getting ready at the required temperature, let me tell you one more information, that the process of getting fish fry is almost same what we are using with other fish fry item, but the taste will be little different in terms of better quality or better taste, because the fish is not that the other fish which we are regularly using in our households. This is pomfret, which we have got on very after applying or putting lots of effort in some other markets. So as we are seeing, now I'm ready to apply the fish. So we will only go for this fish fry only. We are not going to apply the gravy. So, especially we people in our family, we prefer fry item only, especially for fish. So the texture of fish skin is very soft. So it should not take much time like other non-veg item like chicken or mutton. So you should apply after once the oil become hot. You need to make the flame as extreme low and give some abundant time to fish to get it on ready. So as we are seeing that our fish is half cooked, so one side it cooked, I turn it on to cook on for another side, and taste will be texture and taste, if I would say that it is just like a makhan, like a butter. So it will melt it out as soon as you keep in your mouth. Fish is full of lots of proteins, lots of vitamins, and lots of rare elements which doctors use to suggest and recommend to have on regular basis. So on medical front, this is having lots of features which one should have accept or accommodate in their daily or alternate way of food habits. As you are seeing, friends, our first set of the fish fry is ready. Now one by one, set by set, I will apply this all to the frying pan and will get ready to have this taste. So friends, this is our last set, and after that just mouthpiece of the fish is left behind. So we are almost reached to the point where we can start the taste of the fried fish. So this is our fried fish almost ready. So if you want, you can decorate it with light chopped onions with some drops of lemon drops, and then you can serve it as it is. But since we can't stop ourselves more to have this great taste of this pomfret, so please do serve and cook and serve in your family and with loved ones, and enjoy the fish fry in your family. So happy cooking, and if you like this channel, please do share and like, and keep supporting, give your love as usual. Thank you.